Start. Upon bare reading of the above provisions, we find that Section 14 within bracket 3 of the Act 2010 only provides a period of limitation of 6 months from the date of cause of action has arisen for the National Green Tribunal to entertain a petition, but proviso added to subsection within bracket 3 of section 14 wastes discretion in the National Green Tribunal to condone the delay if sufficient cause is shown by the third party approaching it. Full stop. We further find that Section 29 of the Act 2010 clearly bars the jurisdiction of civil courts to entertain any matter which the National Green Tribunal is empowered to adjudicate upon and determine the questions arising therein. Stop. The civil court's jurisdiction to settle the dispute that may be adjudicated upon by the National Green Tribunal has thus been clearly barred. Stop para. The aforesaid provisions, in our view, cannot be interpreted to mean that there would be bar for constitutional law court from transferring the matter already entertained on merits to the National Green Tribunal at a later stage. Stop. It is always open for the court of law, including constitutional law court, to transfer the case to National Green Tribunal having jurisdiction qua the subject matter at any point of time, if it so chooses in its discretion. Stop. Insofar as the other objection that Clean Ganga project or Ganga action plan oblique Namami Gange project can be better monitored at local level considering the importance of city of Prayagraj, Varanasi and Kanpur being religious and industrial cities is concerned. We are of the view that since Namami Gange project is a national level project, it would involve several states and therefore it would be more appropriate that National Green Tribunal that has nationwide jurisdiction in ensuring that river does not get polluted from its source to its end, bracket open, upstream and downstream, bracket close. The project is monitored by it. Stop. The National Green Tribunal can better bind administration of various districts of various other states at the same time to ensure that Namami Gange project ultimately achieves its object. Stop. While it is true that Magh Mela is organized every year in the city of Prayagraj, and so also Ardh Kumbh oblique Kumbh Mela at every 6 years and Mahakumbh at every 12 years, but only for that. Generally and broadly speaking, we should not invite a situation where our orders may come in conflict with that of National Green Tribunal, be getting more and more confusion regarding its enforcement by agencies. Stop. After all, it is the public interest that is to be served first, and it hardly matters whether Clean Ganga or Namami Gange project is monitored here by this court or by the Green Tribunal. Stop. One is to see only where public interest would be better served, and in our considered view, the National Green Tribunal being more equipped with powers relating to environmental laws under the special acts given in Schedule 1 of the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 covering areas nationwide, it would better serve public interest qua Clean Ganga oblique Namami Gange project and Clean Yamuna project. Stop. However, at this stage, we may also hold that matters relating to illegal development activities being carried out against master plan of Prayagraj Development Authority, encroachment of public places, roadside lands, discharge of statutory duties by municipal corporations of different districts and municipalities in the field of civic administration and other incidental and allied issues related to it will still be cognizable by this court. Stop. Again, city drainage system, its maintenance and supply of clean and potable water to the residents of the city are local issues and needed to be addressed locally for better administration of justice so as to serve public interest. Full stop. ये आपका कंप्लीट 616 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन था, 616 वर्ड्स, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पैसेज।